learn how to create this amazing text effect, okay? It's a very simple, fast, effective, and free method, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, we can download the MP4 video, just like this. It's free. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to this website right here, paperanimator.com, and click on Launch App. You can create animations like this, animations like this, animations like this, all for free, okay? There is some examples right here, but I like this one with the text highlighted. You're gonna be able to see this page right here. After login, you can log in with your Google account. Review the left sidebar of menus. We have home, where you can upload your picture, you can type your text. Go to text match cut, just like this. And right here, you can review the right side of menus, and you can customize the options in the case that you want. You can change for the dark theme. You can change the character. There is some other pro options, but we're gonna keep all for free. And you can change the intensity of the blur effect. If you go to the lab, you can play with other texts as well. There is a text trail, magazine letters, word shape, word focus, glass, the country map. This is amazing, by the way, it's a very useful one. The typewriter. So there is amazing features right here that you can test one by one. Of course, you're supposed to wait. There is no much priority in the case that you are on free, but have patience. And of course, you can customize the options into the right side of your menus, changing the aspect ratio for your social media, the appearance, the resolution in the case that you want to be pro, and of course you can type your letters, okay? After doing this, you can render the video. Let me go, for example, right here to the map one. Let's select the country. If we can go to Brazil. I'm from Brazil, so let's check it. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And looks very, very fast. Fancy, right? And of course, you can download. You can download the MP4 video with watermark for free, or no watermark. You can download one per day, okay? Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.